Welcome back to our Celebrity Sweets. I am Ethan, and for today's summer throwback video, I thought we would focus on the Cup song from Pitch Perfect. You know, like that song, Anna Kendrick? Actually, got a cup right here. She's just like clapping and flipping. It's like, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. That song. Now, that song to me is definitely like a big song that blew up in the summer. And you see these red solo cups all over because parties. So I wanted to theme our treat today on both the cup song and red solo cups in general. And let's cut to those ingredients. Red candy melts, white candy melts, and coconut oil. These chocolate cups are so simple that I actually kind of want to play a game while we make these because I edit all the videos and I do know that like I say now so much. Like I try to find other words to transition, but sometimes words are hard. So I'm gonna play a little drinking game. I got a cup here full of water, and every time I say now, I'll just take a shot. However, this is not really a shot. It's like a whole cup full of water. We'll set this aside. Maybe this will intimidate me. Now, gotta be just, this is a really bad idea. This is off to a great start right now. That doesn't count. That one, it's a transition word. I've got a red candy melts here, and I've also got a silicone cup mold. I found this one at Michael's, and I'll put a link to it in the description below if you'd like to use this too. This is very simple. All I'm going to do is start scooping in some of our red candy melts into our mold. No one ever wants like a hole in their cup. I mean, that's the whole point of the cup is to keep the liquid in. And sometimes with this chocolate, there will be these air bubbles that form and then that will cause holes, or if you like hold it for too long, it'll break. So what I like to do is just give it a few taps on the table. This will help release air bubbles from the bottom, and yeah, you can sing the cup song. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my heart. The last thing I like to do for these cups is, again, we want a flat bottom. We don't want rocky cup. So I'm gonna take a small offset spatula here, and I'm just gonna scrape across the top of our mold. This will just help to give us that smooth surface. When you've got all of your cups prepared, I mean, I got 5 of 8, which is pretty good. Now, that shouldn't count, because you have, so much water. I like to pop them into the fridge for about an hour just to make sure that our candy melts evenly harden. Oh wait, I've got a bunch of cups here and we can practice our, I can build a tower, maybe. I can do it. Oh my, you see those people who are like, done. That was so easy. How does the cup song go? When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me so much. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Something like that. I took our chocolate cups out of the refrigerator and de-molded them. I also got bored and made some more towers. Now there's one more thing I want to do to these. Oh, I have to get it. Okay, well, that is that these cups have like this white lip around them, and I want to make that on our chocolate as well. So for that, I've got our white candy melts and our coconut oil. I'm going to add our coconut oil to our candy melts and mix this up. The coconut oil is going to help smooth out our candy melts so that they are nice and smooth. I don't know where that was going. Now what I want... Really? What I'm gonna do next is take our chocolate cup and dip the rim about 1/4 of an inch into our white candy melts. Then I'll take that and placing it face down onto a sheet of wax paper to harden. Face down, yeah. Allow this layer of white chocolate to harden completely before you remove them from your wax paper. Whoa. Bring the treat back. That's right. Here we have them, our cup song inspired chocolate cups that we made today. I think the best way to enjoy this is actually with some milk. You can put whatever you want on this, however, hot liquids and chocolate, maybe stay away. But other things work well too. However, Just pour a little milk. This is more like a shot glass. Down the hatch. And the best part about this is that when you're done with your drink, you just eat it. It's the best form of recycling. Also, leave your request in the comments below, along with sharing this video and subscribing. Until next time, savor life and make it sweet. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donate right here. If you're looking for more content, up here's my latest video, and down here's another summer throwback. That's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next video.